Welcome to Cooking with Niecy. Today we're going to change your mind about cabbage steaks. Don't go away. If you've not tried cabbage steaks in the past, then now's a great time to do it as our meat supply gets a little less and less. You might be looking for alternatives. So cabbage steak is a really good alternative to that. I know we're not going to get any converts today, but if you can at least try it, it would be great. So there's a few ingredients, and here's what you're going to need. Head of cabbage, you can use purple or any kind that you like, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, a couple of strips of bacon, half a cup of extra virgin olive oil, garlic, you can use roasted or regular, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of turmeric, a dash of red cayenne pepper, a tablespoon or so of lemon juice, and for garnish a carrot and salt and pepper to taste. All right, so we're gonna take this cabbage, and purple cabbage is so beautiful. I'm just gonna pull off some of these outside leaves so we can get down to this really pretty stuff here. That'll just, I washed mine off beforehand, but once you get down past these top leaves, you should be just fine. See? Oh, that's so pretty. But here we go. So this is what you wind up with, and aren't they pretty? That beautiful color and all the white that's mixed in as well. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and get our olive oil ready. Got all of our spices, the turmeric, the red pepper, and the smoked paprika. Now, this is the first time I've tried that, but it's really smoky and good, and it adds just a wonderful flavor to all of this olive oil. There we go. So it doesn't take much to get mixed up. And I also did some roasted garlic. And so what you do is just leave it in the skin, cut top of it off, throw it in there for about 400 degrees, maybe 30 minutes, and it comes out like this, and it's nice and soft, so you don't have to do a whole lot of work to get that chopped up. And again, it just adds another layer of flavor. Some more smoky goodness. We like the smoky goodness. Whoop, hey, calm down. Yeah, so if you're trying to get something to cook out and you just can't find any meat, you can do this on the grill if you like, but we're gonna do it in the oven today at 400 degrees. And it's usually about 30 minutes. I'll start checking it. Let me get my pan here. All right, move this out of the way. So we'll get these on here. Now, I'm not going to put any oil on the pan because it's going to soak through anyway. And if you get too much in there, then they kind of swim in it, which isn't good. And keep those, put those on, and they'll get nice and crispy. So yeah, let's get this all brushed on. There we go. There's all sorts of things that people don't try because they think they don't like them. If you don't like Brussels, check out our show on Brussels sprouts. They're roasted and they're delicious too. So we're gonna try and stretch this enough to get on both sides. That way, no matter where you bite, it's gonna be good. Okay, so I'm gonna finish getting these all done, and we're gonna pop these in the oven at 400, and I would start checking them at about 20 minutes. And then check them every 5 just to make sure you don't overcook. And once you take them out of the oven, they're going to continue cooking. So there you are. So we'll get those in and we'll check those at 30, and then we're going to put our cheese and bacon on top. It's going to be extra good. All right. So these have been in here about half an hour. And there we go. Those look so delicious. Okay, so they've got that nice brown on them, and they're crispy on the outside and nice and good on the inside, just a little moist. So we're gonna add some more flavor. Let's put a little bacon on it. Yeah, I know it's meat, but hey, little bacon never hurt anybody, right? There we are. So get that bacon on there. Throw on some cheese, Parmesan. You can use whatever kind of cheese you like. And like I always say, make it your own. You don't have to follow my recipe. Just do what you like. Do what turns out best for you. There we are. So we'll pop that back in the oven for maybe 5-6 minutes, and we'll see you back in a minute. Yeah. Oh, those look so good. They are perfect. Got the crispy on the outside, moist on the inside, and with that Parmesan and bacon, yes, this is gonna be good. So let's get this plated up. Like I always say, make it look pretty, even if it's only for you. It just makes it taste better somehow. There we are, look at those. And that one little cabbage makes a whole lot. And it's a really super inexpensive dish. There we are. Whoops. Okay, we got a little crunchies in the way, so let's move those out for just a moment. But they're delish all by on their own. So grab you some of those. There we are. Very nice. So what we're going to do is just do a little garnish on these. I've got some avocado cut up and ready to go. I'll put that on there real quick. There, isn't that pretty? All these wonderful colors all together. And let me get a paper towel real quick. I'm going to put some salt and pepper on there. And you can also garnish them with these, just place them a little bit better. There we are. Okay, so get a little salt and pepper on those, and we're going to give them a try in just a second. Cabbage steaks. Give them a try at home. Cook them out on the grill if you like as well. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time on Cooking with Niecy. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.